Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you don't already know me, I'm Emma, and today I'm going to be creating a gown.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is.
I'm making use of this fabric and I just use it for a project, but I didn't want to waste it, so I kept it. I was like, I can actually make a dress out of this, which is it looks very impossible with the kind of style I had in mind, but I'm going to see if it's actually possible for me to make a dress out of this, because I know that I can do it. I can create a dress out of this. So I'm going to take you through that journey, and I'm going to be draping it on my dress form. I doubt it's going to be enough, but I want to challenge myself and I want to do something out of this. And if it doesn't work out, I'll still post the fail. And then if it works out very good, that'll be a bonus for me. So let's get into it. So I learned about the bias method for any fabric because it has a stretch in it. I think if I go with that, it has more of the flow, or like using the normal straight green method. I don't know what I'm saying, but you understand me. So I'm going to be draping the back first because that is where I'm going to be using more fabric. So I'm going to be draping the back first because I need this flowy thinning right here. It's going to be like a very short dress, or a very curl short dress instead. I'm still doubting it's going to be enough, but I don't have a choice. Either I do it or not, I still have to try. I have to manage this fabric to create a dress out of it, a short dress out of it for myself. I'm going with my style lines, and this is how I want it to be on the sides. So for my back side, I want it to be as low as this. When I drape, I want to start from here, and that's why I created a style line around here so I don't make a mistake when I'm dripping. So it's going to have side darts. I'm going to have the side darts on my bust, and yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, like I said, but just bear with me. I know I'm feeling that I might fail this project, but I'm still going to go for it. So let's do this. I've already raised my style line a little bit up because when I tried putting this at that same measurement I did the other time, my stuff were like all out. So I didn't want that, but I want the cowl to be like really deep. So I had to raise it up a little bit so I can avoid that mistake of exposing so much around here. This is how deep I want it to be, and I'm going to go in this and then no,
Hold me close till.
so you can see how low I made it here. You can see that this is how low I want my cowl, and yeah. I'm so excited. I don't know. I'm so happy. I just pray it's enough. So for the length of this dress, I'm thinking about 19 inches long because I want to, like I said, a short dress. And I'm nervous because what if it's not enough? What will I do then? Oh my god, I think I'm going to like post the failure. If it doesn't go well, I'm going to post the failure, and oh my god, I'm nervous. Okay, it looks weird. Very weird. My side that I'm going to be basting it with needle and thread so I don't lose it when I'm sewing.
No, I don't want no rest. Echo.
I'm going to do the other one here.
Fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go.
And I'm done draping it, and this is how it looks like. This is how the front looks like, and this is how the back looks like. You can see how deep how it is. And I'm going to attach the neckline for the Halterneck. I think it is two down. I don't know. When I size it myself and I see it is exposing a lot, I'm going to make more adjustments on the sides. So I'm going to create my Halterneck with this, and I'm going to stitch everything together. And it has been fully draped. Now I'm going to stitch all this together and also stitch the sides and also the neck. It doesn't need zipper because it's going to be a very flowy gown. So if it is too exposed around here, I'm going to try to put ropes here, adjustable straps around here to make it better.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the
Now I'm going to basting stitch this before I take it to my machine.
and we'll grow in number, fueled by.
Now I'm going to stitch all this side. I did a basting stitch because it's going to hold this in place, and when I'm sewing it won't move and it's still going to have a very clean finish, which was why I created that, like a very neat sewing on the outfits. And I'm going to take it to my machine and sew.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
I'm going to take away the basting stitch so that you can see how neat stitches are after. This was why I created my basting stitch to begin with, so that you can give it that clean finish, and it did.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on
I've already measured my neck measurements, and instead of the hook and eye, I'm going to be using this for heat. Using this. I'm going to take this in and then stitch into it neatly, and I'm going to finish it off with this ones. I'll be right back. And this is how it looks like. You see how it looks like on the inside and the outside, and it's adjustable. You see that. It's also the baby M I did on the under. I'm going to be adding my label on the seam allowance. Finish it off.
I don't wanna miss a beat.
This is day 2, and I finished making the dress last night, but I couldn't do a video of how it looked because I had to clean up my sewing area and go ready for bed. But today I'll be checking it on me and I'll be seeing how it looks. Ta-da! This is the front of the dress, and you can see how exposed I wanted it to be actually. And this is the back of the dress. I was actually shocked that the material was enough, but it really was enough. And I'm going to be getting ready to fit into it. But first of all, I need to make my hair. I need to do my makeup, but not that much of the makeup. Then I'm going to get into the dress, and you're going to tell me what you think about it, because I really love it so far. I really love it, and the color, it's very pretty. So I'm done with my makeup. I chose the red lipstick because it's going with my cherry earring, and I think this is, oh my god, I look older. I look more mature on makeup than I like it so far. Now let's get dressed, and this is how it looks on me. This was the low back I was talking about. I wanted it to be this low because it's more like a nightclub party dinner dress, and I think it's past the check, it's past the vibe. So what do you guys think? Because I really love it. Yeah, it has become one of my favorite dresses. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and share my video. And if you're not following me on my social media, please do, and you're going to be seeing more of my content. And I'll see you in the next one.